Hello, my name is Rinat Khasanov. I am a registered investment advisor from Russian Central Bank, and I would like to offer you our weekly analytics, which will include Russian market, uh, also currency exchange rate in Russia, also about the prices of Russian bonds, oil, Bitcoin, gold, also about dollar index, about the yield of American bonds, and about S&P 500. So I'm trying to do this in English because I think I can help you in investment, first of all, in Russia, and also we have an American portfolio which is performing much better than S&P 100 from 16. As you can see, we are rising much faster than our benchmark. Also, we do the same in Russia. Our index ftInvest.ru is growing much better than benchmark of Moscow Exchange. And you can follow us by subscribing in our website ftInvest.ru. It's in Russian, but our American portfolio is made in English, and you can follow any of our offer, which include also value investing and technical analysis. We are working in this field from 2012, and we are very successful in portfolio management. We also have about 1,000 different papers about with value analysis of different companies. You can subscribe to our service, and I will try to do the best for you to help you with investment in Russia or in America. You can also ask questions, any question about our service. Maybe you are interested in investing in Russia, and I am as an investment advisor can help you. You are maybe from other countries, maybe friendly one. You are welcome to subscribe to our service. And also, I would like to stress that our website may be the only one which covers not only Russian market, but also American one. And you can subscribe by paying in rubles in Russia, and also by paying in dollars. So we can accept all the customers from all around the world. So let me begin. This is our Russian portfolio, which performing very well during this year. We are nearly 100% up from the beginning of this year, 2023. And this week we are down about 2%, and I will explain why it's happening. Our American portfolio is performing also very well since the beginning of the year, but we are also down about 2% in this week, and I hope we will rise the following one. So let me begin with Russian market. There is a big fall in Tuesday, there was sharp thump. I don't know what different word to describe of share of Lukoil company. And I think it was made by some people, I don't know, who are trying to manipulate the market. But this is really true. Hope my English is not, I understand my English is not very well, but I'll try to be better. Maybe for some people in even America and Europe, it's interesting what is happening here in Russia and finance. So, by the way, our benchmark Moscow exchange is rising. It has risen very good since the beginning of the year, also with our portfolio. And I think with Russian markets is very perspective, even in this already high level. So you can invest in Russia with our help. You can write me an email and we will discuss how can I help you to invest in Russian market, and also any other investment questions related with Russia or USA, we are ready to help. What is happening in the currency exchange market? There is a model which can be described as the bear one for Chinese renminbi. Russian ruble, maybe ruble, Russian ruble is turning up. So we think that Russian currency will grow during the next week, also against the American dollar. I think this could happen too. The big problem in Russia is rising yields. The fall of bonds, of government bonds, and rising yield. You can also buy here Russian country bonds with the yields about above 12% per year, which is very good, I think. Maybe the yield is near the highest level, but I cannot say this during, if you can see this image. Maybe we will see some turn off, but I don't see any in this graph. Also, you can see that oil is growing, and I think it will grow further because of lack of energy in all the world. Also in Russia, there is a problem with fuel in some region because of very high prices abroad, and also the exchange rate is very high, and you can make a lot of money in rubles by selling, I don't know, fuel abroad. We have a technical model in Bitcoin, which I think could grow, but this blue line it's also support line from which I think from which the cryptocurrency could grow. Maybe this will not happen. Also, there is a bear model in gold, and nothing is changing. You can also, with not offer news in English, sorry, but I will try to do the best during this weekly videos. If I will publish it, I don't sure still. Also, you can see that growing dollar index is stimulating the capital all around the world to be invested in fallen American bonds. The rise in yield also, and this situation is maybe a fundamental one. It's will not change soon, and maybe it's a big trend for this year and maybe the next one. But the technical model in S&P 100 is a good one, and I think there is such a model in Dow Jones, and I think there is a big chance for American shares to grow. So this is all what I have to say. This is my first experiment to use English. Please write me, is this helpful or is this also very bad? Thank you very much.